Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I will be showing you how to achieve this beautiful reverse cat eye look. In order to learn this look, please stay tuned and watch the video till the very end. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you enjoy the content related to lifestyle, makeup, haul videos, also reviews. Also, please follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram details will be mentioned in the description bar below. I create fun content on my Instagram too. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. First up, I will start by applying the primer on my face. Then I'll do my brows. I will let the primer sit on my face, and meanwhile I'll do my brows. I will first fill my brows with the gel and then spoolie it. Also make individual strokes and use a gel so that it sits well. Now I'll apply my foundation, and with the help of a brush I will blend it in my skin. Then I take the concealer with a slightly peach undertone and conceal the areas where there could be pigmentation or dark spots. After concealing the areas, I will be applying the highlighting concealer on the areas where I've already concealed so that it becomes a little bright. Also, I will apply a little on the bridge of my nose. You can see how lifted the eye looks. Now I blend everything together so that everything looks seamless. Make sure to apply the powder under your eyes right after you conceal to avoid creases. We will move to the contour now. So I will be applying the contour on the parameters of my face where I want shadow, depth and dimension. It includes the parameter on my forehead, my jawline and under the jaw and around the mouth. Remember, blending is the key. And look how pouty my lips are looking. Now we'll move to the powder. So I would be baking my jawline and my under eyes with the baking powder. And now we'll move to the nose. Now nose contour has to be a little snatched. For this I will be drawing two vertical lines and then blending it in. Now it's time to remove the bake and swiftly move to the eyes. For the eyes, I'm taking the same exact color which I used to contour my nose. I did this one eye off the camera, and now it's time to do another in front of you. For this, I will be applying the kohl near to the lash line and then blend it. As you can see, I'm using the small strokes to diffuse the eyeliner in the upper lid of my outer corners. Now I'd blend everything with the brown eyeshadow that I previously used with the help of a pencil brush. Additionally, I will apply the kohl to the waterline and then would smudge it. Drawing the inner corners is the most important part of this eye look. Remember, don't be afraid to be dramatic with this eye look because the eyeliner is the star in this look. We are done with the eyes. Now it's time to move back to the face. Now I'll bronze my face, add some peach color blush and spritz our face with a setting mist so that our base is intact all day. Now I dab my face with a beauty blender. This trick takes away all the excessive powders. It's time to add that glow. For that, I will be adding a highlighter on my cheekbones, my bridge of the nose, cupid's bow and some on the eyebrow bone and my inner corners. Look at how glowy my face looks. For the lips, I will be lining it with a mauvey nude color and then filling just the corners with the same liner pencil. Keeping my lipstick very nude so that my lips look pouty. And then I would clean the corners so that the lipstick looks neat. Filling my lips with the gloss, and that is how the look turned out. I hope you enjoyed the video. All the details regarding the products will be mentioned in the description bar below with the links if I could find them all, because it has a lot of international makeup too. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon next to it so that you get notified every time I post my new video. Also consider following me on my Instagram. My details are in the description box below. Now I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.